The Harvard report found that migrants who did not have legal representation, migrants who did not have lawyers, migrants who did not have lawyers standing up for them, fared significantly worse than migrants who showed up with a lawyer.
My family keeps saying that the Mandamus can affect because there's no way can somebody wants to sue the government. So, the question is,
who's your family? Let me ask you a question. Who's your family? They went to law school? They're immigration lawyers?
No.
They don't know what they're talking about.
So they're saying that the question is, does the Mandamus cause more harm than good to somebody who's trying to get a green card?
I wouldn't tell you to do something that's more harm than good. Why would I sit here and tell you to harm yourself? Okay? Every time we do a mandamus, only good things happen to people. Government's terrified that you have a lawyer who's actually going to assert your rights. You have rights. You have a right to adjust your status in a timely manner.
Yeah.
File a mandamus, I'm telling you.
And I have a green card interview in Detroit. My lawyer of record cannot make it with me because he has hearing at the same time. Is it too late to hire a new lawyer to go with me to that?
No. You can hire a new lawyer right now, yes. If they're locally in Detroit, they can just show up with you. If they're outside of Detroit, they're doing telephone interviews, meaning that the lawyer would represent you by telephone outside of Detroit, and you would be physically there in Detroit.
I've been charged with felony, and my case still fight on the court. The state attorney, want me to plead guilty on third felony.
What is the felony for?
I've been charged failed to file tax return, but actually, so I used to have the restaurant and the sales tax, like 7%.
So sales tax issue. Okay. How much sales tax were you charged as failing to pay?
$25,000.
Okay. That possibly could be a fraud offense, and if it's a fraud offense, that would be an aggravated felony. You got to be really concerned about pleading guilty to that type of offense if you're not a citizen of the United States of America.
I already have a lawyer. He recommended to pay off, and then they will go from felony to misdemeanor.
It doesn't matter if it's a felony or a misdemeanor. It depends on what the underlying facts are of the case. You need an immigration lawyer right now to tell you, if you plead guilty to this, what are the consequences? Will I get deported? If I am put in deportation, do I have a defense to getting deported?
Okay.
I mean, this is your life here.
Yeah.
Do I need to find a lawyer, or do I can apply on my own?
You're asking a lawyer if you need a lawyer. My answer whenever you ask a lawyer if you need a lawyer is yes, you need a lawyer.
Okay.